I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you a multiple choice test question on inverse functions. The question here is, the ordered pair 3, 5 belongs to the function f. Which of the following points cannot belong to f inverse? Options are A, B, C, and D, which are 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, minus 1, 2, 0, and 1, 3. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. So let's read the question once again. It says, the ordered pair 3, 5 belongs to the function f of x. So we have function f of x on which we have a point, let's call this point P, which is 3, 5. Now it says, which of the following points cannot belong to f inverse? So these points are on f inverse. Now inverse may or may not be function, okay, so this is kind of important to understand. Now inverse may or may not be a function, right? So both could be there on f inverse, right? Okay, now let's look into this. Now if f inverse has these points, then based on these points, what can we have on the function? So we have to swap the points, right? So we get 3, 5 here. Well, 3, 5 is there on the function, so this is okay. Here what we get is minus 1, 5. To get the point on the function from inverse of the function, we have to swap x and y, correct? Just interchange them. And these are the possible points. Now you have to take a decision that out of these points, which one for sure cannot be on the function f of x. As you can see, 3, 5 we know is already there on the function, so we cannot have 3, 1 because that will give us 3 associated with two output points 5 and 1, right? So the option for us is D. I hope you understand the point. So this point cannot lie on the inverse of the function, since on the function we'll get 3, 1. We already have 3, 5. So with 3, you could only get one output associated since this is a function. So that is the answer. I hope this concept is absolutely clear. I'm Anil Kumar, and if you like, you can put some likes and always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and all the best.